to check suspicious web links before you click on it. So if you find yourself in WhatsApp groups and Telegram groups and various platforms, you see that people will be coming out with a lot of links. Okay, so for you to be on safe side, because most of these links are full of virus, and if care is not taken, your information might also be taken through this link. So for you to see that you are clicking on a right link, this is what you have to do before you click on any link that a friend sends to you through WhatsApp or Telegram. So what you have to do is that you just have to copy the link. Okay, so this is the link a friend sent to me. Okay, so it goes like, apply for visa free Canada jobs. Okay, so after seeing this link, I decided to check if this link is safe to click on it. So all how you have to do is that you just click on it to copy, and then you just go to your browser and search for link checker. Okay, link check this one, and you see this first option here, so use this free link checker to check suspicious link. Okay, so just tap on it and it will open like this for you. So you'll be given a space like this will be provided for you. So what you have to do is just tap and hold and paste the link that you copied from the group or from your friends chat, and then you hit here, you hit on this one, check link. So just hit here to check the authenticity of this link, and as you can see, the URL entered was not found. So this means that this is a suspicious link. This link might not be from original source. And as you can see here, this is the information. This platform don't share any personal information. If you enter any password or credit card information, change your password. So this is advice that this site also giving after checking on links. Okay, now let me show you that this is a legit platform that you can use to check that a link is legitimate to click on it or not. So I'll take you to my website, and then I'll copy the link there and then show you how it will show you if the link is legit. This is my website link. Okay, so I'll paste it here, and then I'll click on this one, check link. You can see, so the URL you entered is safe. So as you can see, so if the link is safe, this is the message that you will get from this website. So you have to do this before you click on any link sent to you by your friend or to any group that you are in. Thank you for watching this video, and do well to subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.